Hi, it's me Lena, and today we are going to learn on how to implement linked list in C++. If you like our video, do press the like button and subscribe us. Do look out for our coming videos that can excite you more on how to video tutorials. So stay tuned. So now we are going to start with a structure with a single node. Okay, based on our previous video, a node has a data stored, and we have also came to understand that a node has this address of the next node. So we can actually say that it looked something like this, with maybe a smaller one, size of 2, and the address is 100. So in order to complete this, the structure looks like this. So let me just show you how it looks like. Okay, we are going to come up with the structure node here as in struct node and open bracket and int integer data struct node pointing next. So what does this entire structure actually tells? The integer data represents the data part that holds the integer value. So in this case, we have said that 2 will be the value, just as an example though. So the node next represents a node pointer called next. So if you look at this, representing a node pointer called next. So this is what we are talking about, node pointer next. So the node next represents a node pointer called next. So yeah, so that's what it actually represents. So this will be a very basic structure that we can of a link list which we can actually implement. So I hope this video has given you a small insight of implementing linked lists in C++ using structure. Thank you so much for watching our video tutorials, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.